Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time watching, my name is Gigi and this is Styled by Glam.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review and also what's in my bag with the new Prada Symbole Fabric Embroidered Mini Bag that I recently purchased. I've been meaning to do a review on the bag. Actually, I wanted to do an unboxing. However, I made the purchase back when I was in New York. You can see it here in the vlog. And because while I was out there, I wanted to use the bag, I did a mini unboxing or a reveal over there in the vlog. I think it's time to do a full review after the fact that I've been using it for a while now, and I'm going to share my thoughts on this bag. Today's video is going to entail the review of the bag. I'm going to share the features of the bag and what accessories it does come with and different variations of how you can wear it. And then also in the what's in my bag portion, I'm going to share with you in terms of how much can fit in the bag, because it is a mini bag and I think it's really important to know what you can fit in it before you make the purchase. Also, I want to say for my returning viewers, thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube journey and subscribing to the channel. And for those who are watching for the first time, if you enjoy vlogs and lifestyle videos, I hope you'll give this channel a try and hit that subscription button and also the alert bell for future videos. Other than YouTube, I also have other social media platforms that I post on daily, TikTok and Instagram, where I share outfit of the day as well as other little tips in terms of skincare as well as makeup that I do. I hope you'll join me over there as well, and if you do, don't be shy and say hello. Now let's get to the main portion of this video, which is the bag review. And here's the bag that we are reviewing today. This is the Prada Symbole Embroidered Fabric Top Handle Mini Bag. Yes, it's a mouthful. This is actually one of the newer patterns that they came out the past, I want to say, in the 2 years. They initially came out with other silhouettes, and this mini speedy type, I want to say it came out maybe a year and a half ago in the fall winter season, or I'm not sure, or maybe spring season. I could be wrong, but I remember initially when this symbol pattern came out, they did not have the shape, and this came out a little bit later. In terms of price, I do think the price is actually pretty reasonable given the fact it's a luxury bag item, but of course some people may argue otherwise because the body part is mainly fabric versus leather. But I do think given the pricing of bags these days, this bag is still considered fairly reasonably priced. The price of this bag is $2,950. Depending on where you're shopping, the sales tax may vary. I want to say here in California, probably better to shop in the Irvine district, because I believe in LA right now, the sales tax has gone up to 10%. It's not fun. So if you can make a drive out to Irvine, their sales tax is much lower, and that's my little tip when shopping luxury in California. For the bag itself, it is in the shape of a speedy type mini bag. It has the Prada logo right here in the center front, and this symbol which replicates the Prada symbol, basically their logo, and the triangle, upside down triangle all around, and it goes all the way around in the full bag. Now the handle itself here, and there's a little tag as well as the strap that comes with the bag. And also here where the zipper is, there is their leather, which has that little bit of the pattern engraving on it, which I love because this leather holds up really, really well, and therefore you don't have to worry about your handle getting misshaped or whatnot. I really like the Prada leather. It holds up so well. My shoes that I have, a white pair of Prada pumps that I recently purchased, is also in this leather, and it's been holding up. I just love that. I do think this leather from them is probably one of my favorites. In terms of hardware, it has the gold hardware. Here inside this, there is a mini key in this little pocket right here that you can, basically what happens is if you really want to, you can lock up your bag here. There's a zipper lock that you can apply to, and you can lock up your bag, keep it secure depending on where you're at. The little lock is actually placed here, so the key is for this lock over here, and if you need to, and you can pull the zipper all the way down, it claps in here where the buckle is, and you can lock it in. Now for the strap itself, it is a removable strap, which I think is perfect for this bag because you can wear it crossbody as well as a mini bag if you just want to hold it for nighttime, which I think it's much more suitable when you go out for dinner and whatnot. If you remove the whole strap, it just becomes a cute little mini bag that you can hold and go out. In terms of the interior, kind of hard to see because it's all black. There is a zipper pocket here right on one side towards the back, and there's also another little mini pocket here for your card or other items here in the front. This side does not have zipper, but it is very spacious on both sides. I can fit a lot in this bag, which I'm so surprised given it is a mini bag, and that's also the reason why I made the purchase. I think it's a really good travel bag, especially if you're walking around a lot. You can wear it crossbody, just throw everything inside this bag and still keep it organized. The color, I bought the black and the beige, which is what is on their website. That's the color they're calling. There's also another option in their lighter color combo, which is the tobacco and chalk, I believe. Yes, tobacco and chalk white. That's what they're calling on their website. And yes, I purchased the darker color because I feel like this color is much more easier to pair with different outfits. Also, this color, I can wear it in both summertime, spring, summer, as well as in the fall, winter. Plus, most of my clothes are also in the darker color, so I just think it would match me better, but I still think the other color is very pretty. I was debating between the two. It's just this one was more practical for me, I would say. And now that we've reviewed the bag, let's move on to the what's in my bag portion. All right, let's do what's in my bag. First and foremost, my car keys, my home keys. This is always a must. That's always in there. Next up, my little Quip floss that I have. And yeah, it's just something I always keep on me, and it fits really well. And also has a little mirror, so I use it when I reapply like makeup and stuff like that. Next, of course, my phone. I have the iPhone 14 Pro. It's not the Max. However, I do think the Max will fit in this bag. For a mini bag, it's actually pretty wide, so the length of your phone should fit okay. Next up, I have my Prada mini wallet. It's been my wallet for the past year or so, or actually more than that. And yeah, it has the same leather as the one they use here on the straps and the handle. And it's just one of my favorite go-to leather from Prada. And this is a good showcase of this leather because as you can see, this is a light color leather and I've been using it for a year plus now and no scratch, no marks. It doesn't even look dirty. This is how good this leather holds up. Next up, we have a hand cream that I'm currently using. It's just a mini one. And then I also have my little pill box that I got from Dosi, and I just put like Advil in there just in case I need it. Next up, in the front little compartment, I have my hand sanitizer, my Noshinku hand sanitizer that I've been using since the pandemic started. Last but not least, I also have my lipsticks, and I keep it in this little zipper area in the back here, and it's very spacious. It actually keeps up to 3 of the items. My current combo, I'm using the ColourPop lip liner, and this color is called Oh Snap. And then I also have my lip tint from Etude House, which is a Korean brand. The color that I am using is called Ginger Milk Tea, and basically it's this combo that I'm using here. And then last but not least, I have the Too Faced Lip Injection, which I basically use it as a lip gloss on top of the lip tint, and I use the clear one, and it's the medium strength, so it plumps your lips a little bit and gives it that full lipstick look. This is the current combo that I keep with me at all times, and it fits nicely right in this bag. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope hope you enjoyed this review along with the what's in my bag. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me out. And also, as mentioned before, if you love lifestyle and vlog type of videos, I hope you would give my channel a subscription and check out my other content as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Wishing you a great week ahead, and I will see you guys on the next video.